Okay, today we're doing Billie Eilish sound check, House of Blues, Chicago. Yeah. Clip plays first, then I give my reaction. Here we go. Come on, bring it. You tease.
You drunk fans out here.
Like the end of January was kind of the beginning of a very long tour I did. It was like 3 months-ish, all over Australia, and then all over Europe and the UK and stuff, and we left again for like a whole US tour for like a month.
Hello, my friends.
3 months is not a long tour.
Like, I don't want to think of them as fans. I don't want to talk about them as fans. Those are my siblings. They're my ground. Don't believe in me.
Damn motherfucking right
That's so stupid. No.
This door. I'm just gonna like. It's really cool to like pull up to a venue that I'm playing and I see like a line of kids that just look so sick. They all look like so cool. And like they're so open-minded about stuff. And it's weird that I'm like, oh, I know, that's my crew. That's them. I do as much as I can to sort of be their safety because they're my safety. You know, I'll
Very well grounded.
like, DM them and ask them if they're okay, because like just because I really care. I just try to interact with them and talk to them and like comment on stuff and like their stuff, and like those people out there, they're just like, I could go, all I want to do, to be honest right now, is go out and just like, I just want to hang out with them. Put your fucking phones away. Get that away from me. Just talk to me, you know?
Oh my god, thank you. I love you.
I didn't know she was here.
Woo! Cool. Bitches maybe?
Yeah. Such a small amount. It sounds great. It's just like really loud. Bitches?
Yeah, bitches. I just want that bass, like, I want it to blow you up. When I perform, it's just like, I'm just thinking about, like, nothing. Except exactly what I'm about to do.
Focus.
If you think about anything else, it'll really throw you off. I've had shows where all I could think about was, you know, something horrible, and it just ruins the show. It ruins you, it ruins your mental state, and it just is not good. So you just gotta shut the fuck up in your brain and just do shit. I like people to go crazy and like jump around and like mosh and stuff, and I sort of take anything that I'm feeling and I just channel it through. Is that what the saying is? Channel it? I just channel all my energy to the floor, basically. Not even to me, to the floor. Because it's like, I'm jumping off the floor, I'm going back onto the floor. Like, the floor is the only place that I trust anymore. You can't trust anybody but the floor you're standing on. And you can't even trust that sometimes.
To me, Phineas is the shit. And I'll tell you why.
Jiggy. Yes, sir. Thanks, guys. It sounds tight. By the way, I've learned like what places are fun to perform, what songs are fun to perform.
Oh.
That's my brother, Phineas. What? What the hell fuck was I saying?
What are you up to today? Nothing.
I took a shower. I'm clean.
I'm gonna say a lot about Phineas after this.
Another big thing that I've learned is like if you're around people that you don't like, you are gonna be miserable. Yeah. And so if you know, you're gonna do a show and you spend the whole day with people that you want to fucking stab in the ear, you just like, it's not gonna be fun. My brother's my best friend, and my mom is my other best friend, and my dad's my other best friend. So it's pretty cool. If you spend the whole day with people that like just make you happy and like you want to just like go crazy, then that's the best thing.
Do you go crazy? Yeah.
Enjoy the show. Worry about filming less than you normally do.
I will. I'm still gonna take my
We
toy
don't
though.
have the luxury of a film crew most of the time, so mom
it's-
is a form of documentation. So I'm hoping
It'd be great if all they capture
my
is just
toy.
her arm and you.
Who's filming who?
Mom, can you film me going on stage?
That's very cool.
Oh, look at
What time should I tell?
look at that boy, Charles.
Hold on.
All right, be safe, okay? I love you. Bye. It's pretty, right? Yeah.
Get on stage already. Come on.
If I try to get in the zone, I just get too in the zone and then I can't get out of the zone and it's just bad. This is another thing that I learned on tour. I've learned so much. It's crazy. But like if you think ahead or you think back, you will literally go insane. Like if I think what am I going to be doing exactly 3 weeks from now? No, sir.
Zaboomafoo best moments.
Damn, she's wise. She's very, very wise.
Hello.
Are we going down into the Suicide Squad? Are we like about to go sing Heathens with a room full of inmates?
Yes. The answer is
She's looking at me because no one laughed.
Nobody laughed.
I don't make jokes for the laughs. I make them for me.
These trains are about to kick my ass, dude. I'm about to be like hit in the face a lot with these shits. Just with me, I don't know if this is with everybody, but I just feel like if you think about anything besides what you're doing right then, it just messes you up. And I feel like everybody's life is just trying to finish this thing so that you can do the next thing. And then once
I'm
you
not talking a lot.
finish that.
So we can, yeah, Billie.
This is what I'm saying. I'm just gonna do exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting in this chair right now. I'm thinking about burritos. That's what's happening. I'd fuck with a burrito right now. Burritos are so bomb. Put down your phones. We're never ever gonna be here again in this moment.
Right. Right.
I do not know, but here I am, and I'm just doing whatever I'm doing. Like I don't care what my purpose is. I'm just here.
No water for Billy.
Great show, Billy. That was unbelievable.
That was fire.
Thank you so much.
That was fire.
He's taller than you.
That's fire.
Excuse me.
It's in Chicago Redemption.
Dude, I hit my head like 7 times.
Oh, what, the mic?
No, it was
Oh, yeah.
Dude, in the middle of Crown, I'm like, I'm gonna die. It's fucking horrible. I love it, but it's so tiring.
Yeah, it's entertaining. Yeah, what's up in Chicago?
That was the first.
Everything is sort of too big for me to describe.
Oh, what, the mic?
Just enjoy it. Ride the wave. Okay. Phineas. I couldn't do what he does. I'm sorry. He helped her. He basically discovered her. He helped her write the songs and the music and everything. Helped her reach this plateau. All the while staying in the background. Sure, we know who he is, but he doesn't get the recognition I feel he deserves. She's basically going to shoot to the moon from here, you know, really, really take off and really, really more than she already has. And he'll never get the recognition. And I don't think he wants it or feels he deserves it. That's his sister. He's helping her out. That's my thoughts on Phineas. Anyway, if you are new, please go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification button. Can't talk. And I'll see you, my newfound friend, in my next video. Be well.